Hey guys, how's it going? How to add Google Fonts to hosting your sites. So first of all, you need to buy one of their plans in order to access their, their Google Fonts and basically access your new website. And if you want to buy, and you are on your journey to buy your first plan on Hostinger, just go ahead to the link in the description box to get a discount. Now, what you're gonna do if you want to add Google font, what you're gonna do, you can upload the custom font within the website builder. Click on any text element and then select edit text, right? And then in the next setting, the next step, expand the font drop down, and under my fonts, click on upload, right? And finally, select the preferred portion of a text and then click on the new font to apply it. Okay, and then basically that's it. And if you face an issue with while uploading a font, follow the steps below. Firstly, check the title of the font file, remove any special characters, and if the font upload still stuck, make sure the file you're trying to upload is in WOV or WOV 2 format. So let's wait on the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.